See, this indoor field, it was dumb. They wouldn't let you use anything over 2.5s. It's so gay. So they said, wow, you can only shoot 3 times. But the speed softers, they weren't only shooting 3 times.
Excuse me, sir. I know you have an NGRS and you're taking very slow shots.
One of my buddies got told to stop feathering his gun, and he had a pump action. I wish I was joking.
See, at this field, they're so gay. I tell you, they're so gay.
Dude, I was using my NGRS and I was like, bah, 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 and he's like, you gotta slow down. Like, the rules were I can shoot 3 as fast as I want, then pause.
The NGRS is Tokyo Marui, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we know why that acronym is.
That's why I love it.
Why are the Japanese so racist?
Because they can be.
Are they even in the buildings at all, or no?
Probably.
Okay.
I doubt they're in here.
Yeah.
No, they're in the rooftop. Yeah. Watch out, hold on.
Are they in there? Did you actually kill someone?
I guess so.
Oh, okay. Outside, right?
No.
Oh. Can't see shit.
It's JT!
Look. Got him. Aussie, move.
I'm going in. Coming out, coming out, coming out. Dead coming out, dead coming out.
Yeah. Aussie. Aussie past mosque. Come on. Here.
You have room?
Probably.
Okay, you got me.
Hey! Fuck me. Got distracted.
Sorry.
Oh my god, you scared me. I'm going.
Whatever the exact price is on sale, we'll get random.
What?
Mike, why are you falling, bro? Don't die.
I can't keep falling for you.
Hey, so what I'll do is I'll sell you the outer belt. I gotta order a outer belt. I'll order. It's a King Arms. Oh, that's
Because that was made with EMG, and EMG is the one that made my Daniel Defense, which is King Arms OEM.
King Arms are great for upgrading.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So mine was fine out of the box. Like, you know.
Yeah, but it could be better.
Yeah.
What if we went and sat down?
It's like Chinese New Year.
Yeah, that's so fucking funny.
Yeah.
You gotta do talking guns.
What's that?
Oh.
Just like shoot back.
Die, motherfucker,
Yeah.
die.
Yeah.
And then you stop and you die, motherfucker, die. That's what you do with LMGs.
Yeah. Well, let's talk. I just want to talk.
Travis, can I shoot that? Can I shoot that?
It's very hot right now.
That's fine.
We should probably cool it down first, but
Better yet, some mud.
No, what the fuck? Why? Okay, that's unnecessary. That's gonna be dirty and all fucked up. Stop it for the fucking bit.
oh,
The Cape guy? Yeah, that's whatever.
Yeah, he's screaming in the car and they thought he hit me, but
Yeah.
he has an overgas pistol.
Yep. Sounds about right.
In this,
Edna from Incredible said no capes. No capes!
I've said that like 3 times and everyone's like, what?
Yeah. I don't know, dude.
No,
Zoomers, man. Which is like every 2 minutes.
hey, you guys should come down here and say hi. We won't shoot you, I promise.
Airsoft!
Dress up! Dude, I'm loving running around in building going, Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! And just hearing, Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! From
Yeah.
like 6 people.
Yeah. It's like Marco Polo.
Yeah. Just shoot them. Just pull the trigger. It's fine.
You're a piece of glass.
What are you, GMR?
I got the spikes.
Oh.
So how do you have it set up where it functions with the tank?
That's yours. Mine fucking broke. I'm borrowing his.
Tinnitus. Tinnitus.